Okay. I don't know if I remember been doing it or not, but
no, it don't, yeah,
okay.
That was the proper way to do it, yeah, because you asked them, like, hey, look, can you fold your lip like mom used to wear? Like,
You right?
They'll fold their lips in.
Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna take it around one more again, and then we're gonna finish up with the lather. Okay. All right, that's nice. Okay.
The personal loan from SoFi helped me consolidate my credit card debt into one simple monthly payment.
Debt free. Thanks to SoFi.
Alright, just want to make sure the brush is nice and clean. Alright, so next, I don't remember.
Oh, so we did the shaver, but we already shaved her face is already hair free. Like,
so when I rub it in on it, just it's already good.
It's already good, yeah.
Okay.
And then we just take it off.
Okay, so just I can use my same. You okay? I thought you said something. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that scrub from your face. You're gonna feel the nice warmth, because in a perfect world it would be warm, right? And I gotta remember he starts at the forehead.
No, it's your face.
I don't know why
as long as
I
it's
feel like I'm supposed to
you.
go, you know.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, as long as you're taking the product off, that's all that matters.
Okay.
You're doing great. I don't see salt, sugar, or soap going into her eyes. It's not like she's itching and holding her breath. So you're doing a great job.
Good. Okay.
What'd you say this was called again? Wheatfield Oak. Feels so good on my face. Found it on LM Florence Picture It tool.
Okay. Did I get that on your lip just now? Oh, okay.
Voila.
All right, so I'm gonna go right above your lip. Now you go ahead and fold your lip. Good. Just one swipe across, just like your credit card. Okay.
I'll take Barkley.
Yes! Yep, even easier than that. What's in your wallet?
Value starts here. Enjoy Toyota here. For 21, Toyota is the best resale value brand.
Okay, so I'm just gonna dip it one more time just to make sure that we got everything out.
No problem.
Alright.
You don't drive it, right?
There's an America we build.
Sponges is beautiful.
Yeah, they're nice and soft. They don't
Yes.
irritate people's skin. Because there's some sponges out here, even though they're
Go over
super
your
cheap,
eyelashes.
they're super cheap, but they're horrible on their face. In aesthetic schools, they buy those cheap sponges, and I couldn't stand them, so I looked for a different sponge. I'm like, this is horrible.
Yeah, I
But
love
those
these.
sponges are nice.
Okay. Just coming right under your eye.
I said, you do everything perfectly, yeah. And it's hard to show somebody to fold the towels, to pour sponges, to go underneath the nose, eyes. Everything you're just doing right now is hard to teach.
Really?
Some people, they want to do it their way. And I'm like,
That's yeah, that makes sense. Coming
And then
right.
water gets in the eyes, soap gets in the eye. I'm like, I told you not to do it.
Right.
Yeah, no, like,
You're a great teacher, though.
I wish, thank you so much. I wish I could actually, that really means the world to me. I have no idea. But if I could actually film, because some people don't want to be filmed on TV, you know what I mean? But if I could show their ignorance and their privilege to arrogance, ignorance,
Going above your lip, fold your lip.
belligerence, all those words, you'd be amazed. Like, wow, why did they even pay for this? But I'm like, I don't know. Some people just want to do what they want to do.
That's crazy. How you feeling? Okay. Good. Okay, so it looks like we got everything off of your face. Looks like we're back at the nice, beautiful canvas. And I'm just gonna come over here and prepare for.
So now we do our toner, because we're gonna tone the skin up, and then after the toner, we're gonna do our hyaluronic acid.
This one. No.
Well, you can. That's a thick one. That used to be like a mask,
Okay.
or you can use the the toner. Right, you can use the toner, or if you wanted to give her a mask, you could if you wanted to.
Okay. So this is